we're going to look at question 1.3. Consider the population of persons living in Chicago. You want to learn about the proportion which are illegal aliens. A. Specify the population unit. B. Specify the variable of interest. C. Specify the statistical population. So in this question, we want to know these three concepts: the population unit, the variable of interest, the statistical population. By the definition, the first one, the population unit. A unit is a single entity. You can say population unit or just a unit. So usually it's one person, a person or a object. The population of units will be everybody. So it's the collection, the set of everybody. But statistic population is different from population of units. Statistic population, usually it's the responses you get from the population of units. So in this case, we have um, the population unit will be each single person living in Chicago. So that's a person living in Chicago is the population unit. And the variable of interest is what the goal of your survey, why you're doing the survey. So we want to learn about the proportion which are illegal aliens. So if you just want to write down the variable of interest is the proportion which are illegal aliens, that would be okay. Or you can also write as because in order to find out the proportion, you have to find out every single person in Chicago if this person is illegal or not. So you can also say the variable interest is the characterization of a Chicago resident as an illegal alien or not. So that's like you have to ask everybody, 2 million people living in Chicago, if each person is illegal or not. And the statistical population will be the answers you get from these 2 million people. So for example, you ask the first person, you get legal, second person legal, third person illegal, and then illegal, legal, legal, legal. And so the set of all the responses you get from these people will be the statistical population. So you can say consists of the collection of illegal alien characterizations of each resident of Chicago, of the city of Chicago. So it's like saying it's the set of the collection of responses you get from each person. What response? The response will be whether this person is um, illegal or not. So you can, the different ways you can say, that's one of the possible answers. You can also say the statistical population is the set of responses from each single person living in Chicago, whether he or she is illegal or not.